Growing demand for customized medical devices, key factor driving global 3D printing medical device market growth. Worldwide sales of 3D printing medical devices are estimated at $3.76 billion in 2024 and projected to reach $13.79 billion by 2034, increasing at a CAGR of 13.9% from 2024 to 2034. Increasing manufacturing of various advanced surgical tools in the healthcare sector is anticipated to contribute to the rising demand for 3D printing medical devices. Manufacturers in the medical industry are utilizing 3D printing technology for prototyping novel device designs to enable quick refinement and iteration, therefore contributing to the development of rapid and more effective devices. Sales of 3D printing medical devices in South Korea are projected to rise at a CAGR of 14.5% from 2024 to 2034. North America is forecasted to account for 35.2% of the global 3D printing medical device market share by 2034. Several benefits associated with the use of 3D printing medical devices, including improved patient outcomes, reduced reproduction time, and customization features, are estimated to contribute to their rising sales. 3D printing technology helps transform the use of medical devices for the treatment of patients in the healthcare sector. With the use of medical devices, surgeons can plan their surgeries while minimizing the risks associated with complex medical procedures, subsequently maximizing success rate. Testing of organs is estimated to become more convenient with the use of 3D printing technology, which assists in revolutionizing drug testing, therefore offering an efficient alternative to animal testing. Increasing production of 3D printed wearables to match the increasing demand of respective end users is contributing to expanding the 3D printing medical device market size in the country. Increasing demand for more effective healthcare services, along with rising requirements for medical devices, are driving opportunities for 3D printing medical device suppliers. Laser beam technology-based 3D printing medical devices are anticipated to hold 30.6% share of the global market by the end of the assessment period in 2034.